Sharpening your dull knife just became easier with the WorkSharp Guided Field Sharpener. 5 sharpening stages and built-in angle guides allow you to restore your blade edge quickly, consistently, and easily. The compact size makes it portable so you can stay sharp on your next outdoor adventure. Like other WorkSharp products, the Guided Field Sharpener is packed with features. It was designed specifically for your sharpening needs. To restore a dull blade, begin with the coarse diamond to repair any damage in the edge. Progress to the fine diamond to refine the edge. To do so, rest the blade on the guide and push along the abrasive. After 5 to 10 passes per side, use the fine ceramic rod to hone the edge for another 5 to 10 strokes. Finally, polish the edge with the leather strop. To sharpen serrated knives, nest the beveled side on either the small ceramic rod or the fine side of the large ceramic rod. Push and pull back and forth for several strokes per serration. For curved blades, begin sharpening on the coarse ceramic rod. After 5 to 10 strokes, progress to the fine ceramic. Finish the edge using the leather strop. The Guided Field Sharpener can sharpen a wide array of camp, shop, and garden tools. A few passes on the fine ceramic will quickly restore the beveled edge of scissors. Fish hooks can be resharpened on the ceramic rod using the fish hook setting. Hatchets and axes can be sharpened using the coarse diamond. Broadheads can not only be sharpened, but can be assembled using the internal wrench.